going to start with a problem that doesn't have a remainder, and this is something that we worked on in the mid part of the week because we missed 2 days. But here is the first problem. Okay, so 1872 is going to go in the hat. All right, that is the dividend. The 24 is the divisor. Okay, in the hat or in the house, those are just terms that we've used. All right, what we first look at is, okay, does the 24 go into 1? No, it cannot, because it's just 1. So then we underline and take it over to the 8. Will 24 go into 18 any? No, it cannot. So now we need to go over and underline with the 7. Does 24 go into 187, and how many times? One of the tricks that Mr. Hester had said was, okay, well, look at those first 2 digits right here within the dividend, 18. And look at this number right here, the 2. How many times will 2 go into 18? Okay, well, this lets us know where we need to start with the multiplication. So 24 over here on the side, 24 times, where should we start? Well, we could start with 7, we could start with 8. Let's go ahead and see what 8 will do first. Okay, so we need to multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3 more, 17, 18, 19. Well, 192 and 187. Will that work? This number needs to be under 187 or 187. It does not work. So we need to go back down to the next number and multiply 24 times 7. All right, 24 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. 168, 187. Is it close to 187 without going over 187? Yes, it is. So we will put the 7 above the number, the last number that we underlined. We couldn't do 24 into 1, so we put an X. We couldn't do 24 into 18, so we put an X there. But we can do 187 into 187. So we would put our 7 up above the 187, over the 7. So we said 24 times 7 is 168. So you bring 168 down. Then you will subtract. 187 minus 168. Well, of course, you can't do 7 minus 8, so you are going to have to regroup. So you go over here to borrow, and then make this a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. Is this number smaller than the 24? Yes, it is. So bring down the 2. So now we're looking at 192. How many times will 24 go into 192? So we need to think, okay, within our multiplication, where do we need to start? So like we did last time, I know we see the answer over here, but like we saw last time, we need to look at those first 2 digits, 18 and the 2. Look at 19, okay, and look at the 2. Well, I think last time what we did was times 24 times 8, and look, it's actually 192. So we know that 24 times 8 is 192. So 8 would go up here in the quotient, and then we would bring 192 down here, and there would be no remainder. Okay? So I hope that this visual representation of some things that we do as far as underlining, we can't do 24 into 1, we can't do 24 into 18, but we can do 24 into 187, kind of lets you know, oh, okay, well, then I know we don't put a number here or here, But we can start here, 187 divided by 24. Okay, I hope this is helpful. This is the one without a remainder. I'm going to take a pause because I don't want to make the video too long, and then I'm going to come back with the problem with the remainder. All right.